tank view time. Let's see where I can put my camera. I'll put it there. Yes. And there's a rag in there, and this thing, whoa. This thing looks brand new. Somebody put a rag in the tank for whatever reason. Flush valve. Look at that. 2009. Let me check that. I think this is a 2009. 2009 12/2. Brand new. I knew it. And why is there? Oh, it's socks. In China. Looks like 209 1201. C26. Glacier 1 gallon. C4 248. 1 gallon per flush. And it's a flush mate. 504 series. And there's also blade razor trimmer. So here we go. I'm going to put this lid back on and make sure the socks are in the tank. I don't know why there's 20 socks in the tank, but whoa. Wait, tuck the socks in more. Now it should go in fine. Whoa. Stick it down in there, put this lid back on. How do I get it out there? There. Let's just get a quick view and ooh, vandalism. Get a trap view, and that's it.